Machine learning and deep learning, dimensionality reduction, classification, filtering, and regression play a very important role in feature selection and extraction. In this tutorial, we will learn such an algorithm that performs multiple functions together known as the restricted Boltzmann Machine's algorithm, and we will see how they actually work. A Boltzmann machine is a network of asymmetrically connected neuron-like units that make stochastic decisions about whether to be on or off, or also called neural networks that belong to energy-based models. These are parameterized generative models representing a probability distribution. It is an algorithm that is used for dimensionality reduction, classification, regression, collaborative filtering, feature learning, and topic modeling. A Boltzmann machine has two-layer, visible layer and hidden layer. The visible layer is the input data and the hidden layer is usually the neuron. All the nodes are interconnected and it is an undirected model where the connection goes both ways. Each circle here represents a neuron-like unit called a node. Nodes are simply where calculations take place. The nodes are connected to each other across layers, but no two nodes of the same layer are linked. This means that there is no intralayer communication. This is the restriction in a restricted Boltzmann machine. Each node is a locus of computation that processes input and begins by making stochastic decisions about whether to transmit the input or not. There were many connected even if there were few nodes, therefore researchers came up with restricted Boltzmann machine to solve this problem. A restricted Boltzmann machine is similar to Boltzmann machine, but the difference is the nodes are not interconnected inside their respective layer. Restricted Boltzmann machines are shallow, they basically have two-layer neural nets that constitute the building blocks of deep learning networks.